Everyone, I'm Audric, and before we begin, I want to give out a quick shout out for today's video idea. Today, we're shouting out the Naval Guy. He is a really amazing channel. He reviews ship models and then also talks about some history about some other ships. And yeah, I just really like him. So try and help him out by subscribing to his channel. He has a lot more than me, but that doesn't matter. What matters is he has good content, and he really works hard on it, I'm sure. So yeah, and without further ado, enjoy the video. Hey, whoa, are you okay? Why are you coughing? Oh, it's nothing. I think I just caught kind of like a disease or something. It's not COVID, but I got a disease that makes me cough. Oh yeah? Then, what is it? To be honest, I think I got tuberculosis. Please subscribe and like my videos.